welcome back to my channel. My name's Tina and today we're going to check out Makeup Geek. I bought their purple mystery box. It had a sticker on it which I took off. Otherwise we'd be sitting here all day watching me try to open this little box. So let's see what's in this really adorable little box, by the way. I will be keeping this. I think it's perfect for putting brushes in. So this was 20 bucks. I think it was like 24 with shipping. Let's see what's in here. Looks like we have 4 eyeshadow singles. They're all in purples. Some are more, brownie purples and then super purples. There's a duochrome, a foiled, a matte, and another matte. And then we have cream stain lipstick in a very beautiful purple. And then we have Iconic. Oh, that's a beautiful tube. Oh yeah, another lipstick. Here's the swatch of it. So there are the 2 lipsticks. They feel really nice on the skin. This is like a regular lipstick. It's much more matte. I have my great big Z palette type thing, magnetic palette. Put these in and let's see what these look like. This is Taboo and it is a very dark purple. That's very, very dark. This one is in Vintage, which looks like that. Oh, they blend really nicely when you... So they went on just a little bit streaky looking. But when you just run your finger across them, they blend in beautifully. This is Black Light, a duochrome, and it looks like that. And the last one is Hype, and this is a foil, and it looks like that. For 20 bucks, I mean, I think these are maybe 5 bucks a piece, so you got the lipsticks for free, I guess. So let's try these on. I'm just going to use the colors that are in my Z palette and create a look with these and give you my first impression of Makeup Geek because I've never tried it at all. I'm just using a Anastasia Beverly Hills single in a matte. I'm going to take Vintage first and I'm going to put that in my crease and outer corner, and then I will take Taboo and build up the outer corner and crease. I totally get everybody's deal with these. The blend is gorgeous. So now I'm taking Taboo and I'm just building up that outer corner. So I didn't really put on a lot of concealer because I wasn't sure how these were gonna do for fallout. I don't see any fallout at all. Love that. So now I'm going to take Hype, which is this one, and I'm gonna put that across my lid. Then I'll put Black Light on my inner corner. These foils are beautiful. MAC Fix Plus, and let's see what they do with that. Oh yeah, with some MAC Fix Plus, they foil out beautifully, even better than they already were. I love it when you can do that, when you can take something and it'll be beautiful on its own, but you add just a spritz of the setting spray and suddenly it's like, wow! So now I'm taking Black Light and just bringing that in. Oh, that's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm just taking my Shape Tape and I'm gonna do my under eye area. I don't have to clean it up at all. It looks perfect, so that's good. I'm gonna take my Elizabeth Arden in Sapphire and line my eyes real quick. I'm loving this blue right now. So I'm just gonna take Taboo and go around the outside of my eye, and then I'm gonna use Ladyship from Colored Rain because I think it's gonna look pretty. So I'm just essentially using Taboo to lightly line my under eye in that sort of smudgy way that doesn't look super dark, and then taking Ladyship and going over it. I'm just gonna take the Black Light and do that little spot right there. So I'm taking my Pacifica Rainbow Crystals. I think these are in Strobe. It's the super, super white one. That just gives that very, very bright inner corner that I love. Now I'm taking my Tarte Lash Paint. Well, my first layer of mascara is drying. I'm gonna use this lipstick in Stabby. Gosh, I just watched the Pirates of the Caribbean the other night. Gorgeous, easy to apply, absolutely beautiful, love it. Stabby. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this super bright purple and put it in the center of my lip. absolutely beautiful. I totally get why everybody is so excited about this brand. I wish it was less frustrating for me to get a hold of. Let's highlight this look. I'm just using my Ofra Nikki Tutorials set. That's my finished look, and my thoughts on Makeup Geek are it's freaking phenomenal. Absolutely love it. I totally get why everybody's so excited about it and loves it and is like, go order that. It's, you know, pretty decently priced and fun, and it blends beautifully because it does all of those things. So here's my reason that I don't normally order Makeup Geek. Because I realize that their prices for singles are really good, but when I add them up, it seems like even at $5 a piece, you very quickly get to 30, 40 bucks, and then you can have a palette. For me, mentally in my head, even though maybe the singles are a better choice because they're the colors I want exactly, I just have a hard time with the money part. So let me know your thoughts on Makeup Geek. I'm sure most of you absolutely adore it. I know I'm late to the game. They do blend beautifully. Everybody had said so, and I totally agree. They blend like a dream. Their mystery boxes, by the way, are killer deal because that was right within my price range and made me perfectly happy to buy them because 20 bucks and I got a ton of stuff that works great. I know that the foils are like 8 bucks instead of 5 bucks. It was a really good deal. Highly recommend it. I don't know if they still have it. I know that it was a limited release and all that. But I suspect that they have more mystery boxes, and if they do, you might want to check them out because this one was great. Now I'm curious if everybody got the same thing. Do you know? Let me know. Did you order this box? What'd you get? I'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye!